Welcome. Today, we're going to guide you through the simple steps to add your son to your family members on Facebook using your PC. This new update makes it easier than ever to showcase your family connections on your profile. Let's dive right in. First, open Facebook by launching your preferred web browser and navigating to the Facebook homepage. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and log into your account. Once you're on the main page, look for your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your profile. This will take you directly to your personal profile page where all the magic happens. Now that you're on your profile, it's time to find the About section. Look for this option and click on it. This section contains all the important details about you, including your family relationships. In the About section, scroll down until you see a tab labeled Family and Relationships. Here, you'll find an option that says Add Family Member. Click on this button to proceed. Next, a pop-up will appear, prompting you to enter the name of the family member you wish to add. Type in your son's name in the provided field. Once you see his name appear in the suggestions, click on it to select him. Now, it's time to define the relationship. From the drop-down menu, choose Son as the relationship type. This is crucial as it helps others understand your family dynamics better. Finally, after selecting Son, click the Save button to confirm this addition. And just like that, you've successfully added your son to your family members on Facebook. By following these straightforward steps, you can enhance your online presence and keep your friends updated about your family connections. Sharing special moments and memories with loved ones has never been easier. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials that keep you connected with family and friends on social media.